Bubble
don't
fun.
yes, don't make such sounds. Okay, read it nicely.
Bubble fun.
Bubble fun. Okay, the name of the story is Bubble Fun. Okay, let us read the story now. Sorry, what I need. Sorry. Okay, let us go ahead. Okay, done. You see here, there is a person. He has got a bubble wand in his mouth, and this boy is looking at him. He's watching the bubbles. Okay, now let us read this part. Wow, Tristan said as he watched the man on the street corner make bubbles. Big bubbles, little bubbles, tiny bubbles too. Bubbles from a wand, some landing on his shoe. Bubbles in the air, bubbles on the ground, bubbles blowing on the wind, making a popping sound. Their colors like a rainbow, their shape so round and true. Bubbles, bubbles everywhere. Look, that one is blue. Tristan thought to himself, I just have to find out how to make those bubbles. So he walked up to the man and asked him how he did it. Okay, we'll just move on to the next page. You can see here in the picture, Tristan has come near this man who has got the bubble wand in his hand. He's making bubbles because Tristan wants to know how he's making these bubbles, and a colorful bubbles he is making. See, let's see now how Tristan approaches this bubble man. Okay, fine. Excuse me, sir, Tristan said. I have never seen bubbles like that, and I would really like to know how to make them. They are the most beautiful things I have ever seen. The man stopped blowing bubbles, smiled, and said, Why, thank you, young man. When I was about your age, I saw someone blowing bubbles, and well, I asked how he made them. I asked how he made them. He told me, and once I started, I just couldn't stop. Just a minute while I blow some more. And then he started making bubbles. You can see that little boy is also given a chance to make the bubble. The boy is making bubbles now. Okay, let us read ahead what is given. Okay, so when, W-H-E-N, when he finished, he looked at Tristan, grinned, and said, "Would you like to try blowing some?" "Could I?" exclaimed Tristan. Tristan took the wand, dipped it, moved it gently through the air, and the biggest bubble he ever saw rose into the sky. He squealed with delight. The man then explained some important things to remember when blowing bubbles. Now look at this picture. See how it is all appearing. It is somewhat like means this boy is on one side of the bubble and the man is on the other side of the bubble, and the bubble size is so big. He has made a very big bubble. Okay, let us read now. Okay, fine. I can remember that Tristan said. I can remember that, Tristan said, but how do I make the solution and the wands? Ah, the man said in a whisper. Let me blow some more bubbles and then I will tell you. He then took a wand in each hand, dipped them, extended his arms, and began spinning. Soon there was a wall of bubbles. Okay, so he then took a wand in each hand, dipped them, extended his arms, and began spinning. Soon there was a wall of bubbles, so many bubbles that Tristan couldn't see the man anymore. Then he heard a laugh and pop. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, see? Now all the bubbles have disappeared. He's looking around, searching for the bubbles. No more bubbles. Okay. Now, look here. Let us read. When the bubbles were gone, so was the man, and lying on the sidewalk was a piece of paper. Tristan bent down and picked it up. It was just what he needed to get started. A bubble scientist basic guide. Pop. Remember to experiment with the basic solution. A little more glycerin, sugar, or syrup can make a stronger bubble. Too much can ruin your solution. Pop, pop. If you need more, just double, triple, or quadruple the ingredients. Pop, pop, pop. Don't forget what I told you earlier. This is all written on this paper he is holding in his hand. Okay? He's reading. Yeah, he's reading. Okay. If you make your own bubble solution, pretend you are a scientist and experiment to make the mix that you like. All solutions use glycerin, but it is expensive. Remember that you can use a light corn syrup like Caro or even sugar. It is best to make your mix and let it rest for a day. This helps make a stronger bubble. But don't worry, you can use it as soon as you make it. Store your mix in a tightly sealed container. Pour your solution into a shallow tray or bowl for dipping your wand. Make sure it is a little bigger than the wand you are going to use. Okay, these all things are given on the paper. Then see further what is written. What you want to see? You see in the picture now. Okay, fine. 1 second. Don't keep scrolling up and down. Leave it. Move your hand. Yeah. Make sure your wand can soak up some solution for better bubbles. If you make a smooth wire wand, wrap it in cloth so that okay, so if you make a smooth wire wand, wrap it in cloth so it can suck up the solution. Blow or move the wand through the air gently. You can catch or bounce bubbles if you are careful. They usually pop from dust, dirt, or grease. So, wear a light pair of gloves and go on a bubble hunt. Don't shake or stir your bubble solution too much when blowing bubbles. Minerals or other additives in water can affect your solution. It is recommended to use distilled water or boil your water for several minutes and let it cool before using. Don't forget to have an adult boil the water. Have fun. Now see, okay, this is what is being written. Okay. So you can see this boy as he reads, he is imagining what all things are required, and then he is thinking this is all he needs. He is thinking. Okay. So let us see. Read these words. Basic bubble solutions. Pop. Pour 1/4 cup liquid. This word is liquid. liquid. Liquid dish soap into a mixing bowl. Add 3/4 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar into the mixture. Glycerin or light corn syrup can be substituted. Gently stir your mixture until the sugar dissolves. Then it's written pop pop. Okay, then so all these things are being given, you have to read it. Okay, so add half cup of water. Okay, this is just a second, I'll underline it for you. Add half cup of water to your mixing bowl. Mix 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap. Stir in 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup. Glycerin or sugar can be substituted. Pop, 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 pop. Dissolve half cup of soap powder into 1 cup of warm water. Mix in 2 tablespoons of sugar, light syrup or glycerin. Okay, then there is something given to remember. Let us read that thing. Okay, this is what remember. Don't throw out your solution if it doesn't work with the wand. Okay, make bubble falls. Take your solution outside and using a straw blow into the solution. Have fun with the millions of bubbles as you blow in the solution. Okay, so let us go ahead. He is still thinking about using what all things he is going to make the bubbles. Okay, now basic wands. What all basic wands one can have? Basic, and this is wand. Be creative. Okay, and use your imagination. This word is imagination. Fine.
I do shell.
Okay, very good. Okay, anything that holds the solution across it can be used as wand. The bigger the wand, the bigger the bubble, the harder it is to blow. Try some things around the house. A slotted mixing spoon, a small strainer, okay, can be used as a wand. Fine. Now let us read ahead. Make one. Bend a pipe cleaner, okay, into any shape and attach another for the handle. Have an adult bend a coat hanger into a circle or any shape. Cover it with the cloth for the best result. Take 2 straws and thread yarn through them. Make sure the knot is in one of the straws. Using the straws as handle, dip the yarn into the solution. Gently remove it and move it through the air. Okay. So he's building. All the instructions are given how he has to build the wand in case he has nothing to use as a wand. This is all given. Gently remove it and move it through the air. It's hard to do, but when you get a bubble, it will be a giant bubble. Okay, what is this word? Giant, giant bubble. Okay, because when he is going to make it now with the hangers and all, means he will make a big round thing as if kind of, yeah, very big bubble, a giant bubble will be made. Okay,
A big bubble in a building.
yeah.
Bigger
So
bubble
now,
than the
okay,
universe.
yeah, I can't wait. WAIT is what? Wait to get home, Tristan said as he ran down. Aryan ran down the street. Okay, so let's see. I think the story is over. Fine. So I hope you like the story and you will practice again and again reading this.